Girls and guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got another one to do. Behold the red key of joy. What we're going to be doing on the 458? A battery. I seem to be the Ferrari battery specialist at the moment. By the way, that was a joke. I'm not a specialist in Ferrari. I just have a lot of friends with them. So let's get this beautiful 458 Spider in and replace the battery. Yeah. See, the battery voltage is quite low, and then watch, it'll bring up a load of faults. Let's give it a little blip to get the... Well, it normally brings up a load of faults. It won't do it today. Battery voltage is climbing. Well, it's being stubborn. Anyway, let's get it in and let's change the battery. Just for the record, the amount of carbon in this thing, I love it. It has got so many carbon options on it. It's very nice. I'd love to press that button one day. One day when I get one, I will. I'll do it on video. So yeah, we're changing the battery now. The battery in this one, in the 458, is very similar to the 488. It is in there. So let's have some fun. Alrighty. So just peel back the mat, or better still, if the mat's on poppers, pop the mat out. Ugh, there we go. One very expensive mat. Now this cover down, and there she is. 10 mils, 10 mil, well, one clip and one 10 mil. I got a feeling this could be quite a short short video, not battery, of course. All right, so two 10 mils and remove that plate. Now, I'm gonna gently shuffle this forward and kick off the negative lead straight away. Being very, very delicate here because that power lead is right against the dash, up against the carpet. Shuffle, shuffle. Need two hands to shuffle. Right, a little safety tip which I just spotted. So being very careful when you do this, because there is a metal bracket right above the positive terminal when you slide it out. So of course, if you have the negative connected and the positive connected, if you were to touch that, bad sparky things would happen. Literally spotted it moments before doing it. So if you are doing that, disconnect everything and chuck them out of the way beforehand. You could probably disconnect it and chuck it back inside the car, but I pulled it forward to do it. So you have to be careful there. That is a big, big safety concern. And she has slid out, which is nice. It's on that mat. I'm gonna use two hands and give her a big hee-ho and get it out of there. What I wish I would have done is just move the seat back a little bit, just to give me that little bit more room while I'm fighting around beautiful Italian leather and lots and lots of carbon. There's just carbon everywhere. So, old one out, and we have the new one going in. Now, before anyone gets all like, oh, you're using a cheap battery on a Ferrari, believe it or not, I matched this one up to a Bosch and a couple of others, and this one, for the money, was absolutely spot on. And the Napa batteries, they are really, really good. I can't fault them at all. Put them on a few vehicles and they're great. So this has got better CCA and is generally just a better battery. It's the high power option as well. And if I'm honest, for the bang for buck, you're not really beating it. And it's got a really good warranty. I think it was 3 or 5 year warranty on it. Can't remember, but either way, we've gone for this option. As we know, as we've seen recently, Ferraris do like to kill batteries. And for the money of the battery and the amount they go through them, you'd be mad not to. So now let's shimmy this into place. I'm going to use two hands so I can't record it, and then we're going to get it all connected up and go from there. Now, just to state the obvious, black negative, red positive. Please check it yourself before you do it. Don't blame me if you connect your battery the wrong way around. If you do that, you probably shouldn't be working on a car. Now, I'm going to put the lower clamp on. Where is that? There she is, in the 210s. Let's get that in. Get it seated nicely. Up to go down. Perfect. Lined up. Beautiful. Oh, baby. Whip the 210s in. Send them in with some uggers and a duggers. Got to line that one because that's not sitting right. Come here, sit properly. It's being awkward. There you have it. She's in, on tight, on tight. It's also got a little charger there, and close that up. Oh no, that's not closing up. That's in the way. Oh no, that's in the way too. Let's try that again. Oh no, the screw's missing. There should be 2 screws that hold it in. Like on the 488, there was a screw there and screw there. They weren't actually there for this. Well, I'll tidy that all up and then get the mat in. And then slippity, slappity, click the mat in. Now these things are very awkward to fit. And that's it. Now, go around and do the wake up procedure. Now, I do a little weird wake up procedure. What I do is I lock it, unlock it. Obviously, we've had the battery disconnected and everything like that. So I just want to wake it up, make it nice and happy. After all, it is an Italian vehicle. At any given point, it could throw us a fault code just because, I don't know, it's a Monday. So, fell into that. So lights on, lights off. Just push some random lights. Make sure everything's all working. Give it a second and let's put the key in and start her up. We are keeping an eye on the battery voltage. Come on, start climbing. There we go. Sorry, there we go. So we're at 13 volts. The main thing is it took longer for that to climb on the old battery than it did. Now we're going to have to set time and date because obviously that's wrong. Ain't going to annoy me. There you go, she's sitting quite nice. Just give her a little tickle. Cool. Unlike the 812, no engine light to clear with a rev, which is always good. So now we're going to set time and date. So menu, no, press main, and then we're going to press up for setup. And then scroll down, date and hour. So I'll settle the time and date. Yeah, I don't know what the date is. I think it's the 23rd today. So that's how we set it up, and then I'll come back to time. Once you've done that, press back, go down one, and of course time. Fairly simple. Just keep pushing the up and down button, up, down to get the time. We're in a 24-hour clock. Brilliant. So now time and date all set. Beautiful. It's car setup. I don't need to play with any of that. Main menu, and just, oh no, VDA. Oh, we're going into all the settings now. Oh, lap times. I don't know how to get back into that other menu. Like I said, I don't really play around with these that much. Hold on. No. Oh, I'm just pressing buttons now. I got it, you had to press down. Perfect. Okay, so that's how you change a battery on a 458. Obviously, again, thanks for watching the video. I hope this helps someone out. Again, you do this at your own risk. Make sure you connect the battery the right way around if you are messing around with it. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe to the channel. This one is done.